Hey, this is Chris Van Vieren. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to make sure you get your pixel installed, especially if you're using Clickfunnels on your website or your client's website or your landing pages, whichever one you choose to use. Obviously, the pixel is going to be a pretty key thing to have, especially if you're doing any sort of digital marketing. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So if we go to business.facebook.com, we can do it a couple ways. We can either go up into the Business Manager and go to Pixels and Events here under Measure and Report. So Pixels and Events, we click on that, and it's going to take us to a page where all of our pixels are located. Now, if we already have a pixel created, we can use that same pixel to add it to our website, or we can also create a new one where if we click add a new data source, Facebook pixel, and we can go through the prompts to actually create a new one. We can name it whatever our website is called. So let's just make this a dentist demo pixel here, and we'll hit create. And it's going to create our Facebook pixel, and it takes a few moments, and once that is created, then we'll be able to actually take that information and install it onto our Clickfunnels website. So in order to get it installed, you're going to want to manually install the code yourself. So we click on manually install, and we're going to go down here, and here is the Facebook pixel code, and we're going to want to click on that, and it's going to copy it to our clipboard. The next thing we're going to want to do is go to our funnel. So here in ClickFunnels, under funnels, we go to just whatever funnel we're planning on installing that on, and we'll click on this one. And you have a couple options. You can either install it on the individual pages themselves, but the best way to do it is to have it installed on all pages, and there's a much faster way to do it. So if you go into settings, and you go into the head tracking code here. This is the section that you can put your Facebook pixel code in, and this will actually put it on all pages of your website or of your landing page funnels instead of just the individual ones. So again, we've grabbed our code here. We go over to our tab, go into our head tracking code, and paste the Facebook pixel code. Once we do that, we scroll down, hit Save and Update Settings, and that's going to install the pixel on all of our web pages. Really cool, really simple. It allows us to do very easy tracking page. It's going to track all of our page views. Now let's say, for instance, we want to actually install a lead on there. So we want to see when people actually sign up for whatever voucher we have or whatever offer we have. So the best way to do that is to make sure that we install that on the thank you page. So we're going to want to go to the thank you page or whatever confirmation page that you have for your funnel. So if we hit edit page here, we can now go and install the event codes, and we're going to do that here in the tracking code section. So under settings and in tracking code, that's where we're going to put everything here. Now in this case, I've got complete registration, and in order to get this information right here, you're going to go into your Facebook pixel and hit continue. And if you do manually install the event code, it allows you to select the different types of events that you want to have. Now in this case we're doing, it doesn't really matter which one you want. You can either do complete registration, you can also do, there's also lead. Let's see if we can find it. Here's lead. You can do a lead if you're tracking leads, but the best one I've got right now on there is complete registration. So if I click complete registration and go down to the Facebook tracking code here, again I get the blue box to allow me to copy it to the clipboard. So we just copy it, and then we go back into the settings and custom tracking code, and we can delete this and paste our script, which is complete registration. Now obviously if you want lead, you can put lead in there, but that's going to start tracking every time somebody actually confirms and goes to this page. It will now show in our Facebook pixel that we have completed a registration. So that's how you install the pixel. Hope that helps you. If you have any questions, please let us know. But hit this bell, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and we'll see you on the next one.